Welcome to WizApps projects. In this video, we will be taking a closer look at the various parts of this plastic injection machine and the production process. This machine is specifically designed for the production of cable connectors but can also be used for making a wide range of other plastic products. Machine overview. Let's start by taking a closer look at the different parts of the machine. At the top of the machine, there is a granule box. Just below that, we have the motor controller. Moving down, we have the temperature controller and a digital meter. There is a power switch for turning the machine on and off. Next, we have the duct for the automatic granule feeder, which feeds the granules into the machine at regular intervals. The plunger then pushes the granules down, where they are melted by the heating coil and injected into the mold. Production process. The first step is to power on the machine using the on-off switch, and the machine will start to warm up. The next step is to pour the plastic granules into the granule box. The automatic granule feeder will continue to feed the granules into the machine at the right intervals. Now press the button and the plunger will compress the liquefied plastic and mold it into the desired shape. Finally, once the molding process is complete, the finished product can be removed from the mold and the process can be repeated for the next product. If you have any queries or want a custom solution for your needs, we are happy to help you. Contact us now on WhatsApp and visit our website for more details. Links to all resources are given in the description box.